Hello everyone. So yeah, we are back with this video and we are going to talk about that 7 business bottlenecks that how automation can fix it. So yeah, I am creating this video because I've got a lot of queries of people who are asking me about like what are the different type of automation I can sell. So there can be two type of audience. So if you are watching this video, then I know that you might either be the person who is going to look for that what these are the automation I am going to sell for the businesses, and the second type of audience is going to be the businessmen who are actually looking automations for their businesses. So basically how it works is that I'm going to explain this in this video, so just be with me till the end. And yeah, by the way, I am just what this platform is, this is basically our Skool platform, and I'm going to create a lot of follow-up videos on this. Okay, so yeah, you will get a lot of valuable content here, and that might not be uploaded on my YouTube channel. So yeah, make sure to guys go and check it out, our Skool community. You will get the link in our description, and you can see whatever the questions people are asking. Like I will also show you that we are already 377. By the way, previously I was just recording at that time, two requests were there, and by the end of I was just create ended the video. Just before that, I can see, or I have shown that invites are coming and all. So yeah, this community is very much fastly growing, and so don't lose it up. Okay, you can just see and all. By the way, you will not get a lot of content here. I am actually creating a lot of things here. Okay, so slowly we will be going to make it up within 1 month or 2 months or whatever. Okay, but at least you will be going to get a lot of like-minded people here, and you can ask your questions and all. By the way, the first thing and the best thing here is that if you have any kind of question, if you want to interact with me, if you want me to directly respond to you, just ask your question like here directly. Okay, I will be going to create a personalized Zoom video like this. Okay, to every question which is generic and related to automation and which can be helpful for everyone, I'm going to create a Loom video specially to answer your question. Okay, so enough of that. So let's come back to our topic and let's talk about the 7 different type of automations which a business can be implementing. Okay, so yeah, before that, I wanted to show you, or I wanted to tell you a concept of that is amazing about the bottleneck concept. Okay, so what it means is that the bottleneck law says that a pipeline is there is a pipeline, you can imagine, and likewise your business is also similar according to that. You can take an analogy of pipeline, and you can see that the pipeline flow is pipeline can only flow as fast as its narrowest point. Okay, it doesn't matter how you optimize the rest. Your bottleneck is X, the entire business moves at speed X. Okay, so if your business is basically, there are different points where you can optimize, where you can see that these can be optimized and all. So you don't have to pick that point which is already optimized. You have to pick that part which is actually struggling. Let's say you are getting a lot of leads, but you are not be able to deliver. You need to fix your delivery, you need to fix your operations part. If you are not getting leads, then your problem is leads. You need to scrape it out. You need to get leads from it somewhere or something like that. You need to create content. You need to be more visible. Okay, that's the part you need to solve. If you are getting leads, if you can deliver that, but if you are not able to close them, the problem is in your sales part. You need to close them and all, whatever. If your hiring is problem, then you need to create a hiring pipeline better. Okay, if your time is not getting, you are involved so much into your business, if you are a businessman, so in that you need optimization of your time. Okay, so in that part, that can also be done. So basically, automation, you should not see it as a magic. Automation is an extension of your solution which you are actually having an option to solve it manually as well, but you are actually automating it, because that process with the automation can be optimized, and it can serve you a lot much better ROI in terms of if you will put a person there, because that automation can be scalable. That person might not be scalable. Okay, you need to see that what are the constraint when you scale it up with your physical team. And with automation, you can literally do it just by pouring more money, or you can just replicating the same process again, and you can literally see or catch up the points as well. You will have all the data. You can store all those data within your servers and all these things can be done, and that can be possible just by the automations. So it's not all about you need to go and just take a template and just put it into your business. It doesn't work like that. Okay, so you can see that in a business there is a different pipeline. You can see prospect, qualify, call, proposal, close, retain and all. Okay, so basically this pipeline, you need to see that, identify your constraint, then widen those constraints, and look for new one and repeat. This will give you a business growth. Okay, this is the growth strategy you need to follow. And either you are providing the services of automation, or you are a businessman, you can use this optimization understanding of this growth flywheel, and you can implement in a business, whether it is yours or your clients. Okay, so there are different type of bottlenecks. The I will be going to talk about now, which is the number one is that is the lead generation pipeline. Sorry, the lead generation bottleneck. Okay, you are not having enough people entering into your pipeline. You are stuck at the manual outreach, or praying that your social media works and all. You are not creating that much content or that creativity, or you are not reaching out to people. There you need to see that what you can do differently. You need to run ads, you need to create more content, you need to create better content. Okay, you need to scrape leads and reach out to them. Whatever you need to do in this part, you can create an scraper automation, you can create an auto qualifier surveys and all. There are outreach sequences as well. There are different type of automations which you can implement here. If you want a detailed video on these parts, which I in either way I will be going to create, just reach out to me. I mean, just comment the word that we want and all. Okay, I will be going to share. And also make sure to join this community, because I will be going to put all the subsequent all these things into here at least. Might be I might not put each and every video on YouTube, but I will be going to put here these videos of this subsequent, that what are the exact automations which can be implemented here. Okay, the second part is the lead qualification. You can put lead qualifier automations which will go and qualify the lead at first, and then only give them the calendar invite. Okay, otherwise what happens is that sometimes I know that we create content, and a lot of people just have the access of your calendar, and they just book your consultation. They might not be your client, but they are just having that access. Just because of that, they are just booking it up. So you need a qualifier. You need just before giving them that link, your AI calling agent or your AI chatbot should be able to qualify them with some predefined 4 to 5 questions, and it can easily be bestly done. And the ROI real impact could be that it could cut your 60% of your discovery calls, which is a lot of time which you will going to save. The third part is that leads follow up. So basically in business, a lot of the people don't even know that the real game is in follow up. A lot of there is this insight as well of marketing, that before going into before becoming a customer, a prospect needs to see yourself, your content and all, at least 7 to 32 times. Okay, this is just a stat. Just you need to take the gist of it, that what I wanted to tell here is the basic idea is that you need to use the follow-ups. If you are not using it follow-up, then you are losing out a lot. So how you can do it? You can create a lot of automations around that. You can create an CRM which will auto update all those follow-up points where your leads are basically getting interaction with yours. Okay, you will get AI alerts, follow-up sequences will automatically trigger and all. So how to do it and all, I will be going to create a subsequent part of that video, but here only I'm just telling about the real bottlenecks and where the automation can solve your problem. What exactly I will be going to create content, so just follow me. And this is the we are already 302 people. We will be going to grow soon. Okay, we will be going to do the amazing work. Okay, I am just writing this wave, and this wave is really amazing. If you also want to ride this AI wave and take the leverage, just follow us. Okay, I will be going to create a lot of updated content. Okay, so yeah, the onboarding and fulfillment is it comes next. So in between there is also one thing, that contract and invoices. You can create auto invoices and auto contract. So let's say that you are going into a call, a discovery call or a sales call or whatever. You are having your automation, your call recorder already there, AI call recorder. So according to that context, you might be also having some kind of lead form that you can fill during the call only. So with that information, you can set up a system which will automatically create a contract, and it will be going to send you. Okay, so what happens is that with that, you will be going to get the details basically of the contract and all with your for your manual approval. So after your approval, it will be going to send them on the email. Okay, now after they sign that contract and after they send you the money and all, this onboarding and fulfillment part, this automation can automatically trigger. And what it will be going to enable to do it, that you don't have to put a manual person here for this specific thing. Okay, it will save a lot of time as well, and if it will be more proficient in your system. Okay, it will seem more professional, and your systems will be so much fast at execution and all, and you can literally optimize all these things with all the data you are collecting. Just because of these systems, you are going to optimize a lot, and you can just to super rocket your delivery and all whatever the things. Okay, now the next part is also there are a lot of other things as well which can be done. I just tried to put it, I mean, so short and also simple. So the next part, I mean, that could be customer support. So a lot of bigger companies, you might have seen that they have already implemented the AI caller or AI, I mean, chatbot and all for the customer support, and it is so much valuable in terms of, I mean, your physical labor or physical customer support is always going to be limited. And okay, and this chatbot is going to be open for 24 into 7 and give the best possible, I mean, effectiveness which you want, and you can track the overall details and you can analyze and you can also improve that. But with your physical labor, there is always definitely going to be a limit. Okay, so yeah, that part is there. The next part is the hiring and team. Okay, so during the hiring, it can also be automated, and you can put a lot of the automations here as well, which will save a lot of time and give you a better hiring pipeline as well, and a lot of better people you can hire. Okay, so right now as well, automation is not yet enabled to replace all of the people and all. So you need team. Okay, people are, I mean, businesses are growing so much. People are just worried about, I mean, about the current technologies, current things which are going, those are going to be replaced. Okay, and the people who are just stuck with that older things, who are not changing themselves, they are going to be get replaced. But if you are someone, because the rule of this nature is that change is the constant thing in this universe. If you will change, no one can replace you right now, at least. Okay, after some time when everyone will be going to replaced, that is a different story, and that also I will be going to, I mean, if you want to know my thoughts, what I think about it, just let me know. I will be going to create a video around that as well, because I can see that what can happen, I mean, after this AI will be going to get a very much better and all. Okay, so let's just get back to the topic. So you can put your hiring pipeline here, and you can put resume screening AI filters and all. You can put automated interview scheduling as well. You can put AI interview schedule filtering as well. Okay, or onboarding workflows as well, contract and training and all. It can automatically automated, because your system and SOPs are built very defined. A lot of the businesses are having. The next part is the reporting and admin. A lot of the people are having, a lot of the businesses are having a lot of document related tasks, a lot of reporting and admin tasks, and that can be automated because those are repetitive tasks, and that can save a lot of time and a lot of money of a business. And with time, just because of that automation is implemented there, they are now open for optimization, because now you have data, you are collecting data, and that data can also be stored in your own servers. So the data privacy is also not the problem, although I think that this data privacy is a myth. But by the way, ignore that. If you feel that your data is so much important and all, you need to save it, you have always that option to, I mean, store all or create these kind of automations in your own servers or in your near about servers in your country and all. Okay, that's not an issue, just because of, I mean, some of the compliances come in between and all. Sometimes businesses don't see in like that, but some compliances act, so that's why you have to take some kind of these kind of decisions. One more automation which I can see that one more process can be solved, which is the content part. Okay, and content can be automated, and it can be so much valuable, because a lot of people, I included, I need to create a lot of content every single day. So that's why I need a lot of ideas. So I need to generate ideas according to the latest trend which are coming, and also according to the data people are asking me. Okay, so these can be automated with the SOP, with the system, with the AI automation using N8N or whatever the thing you implement. There are a lot of different, I'm not going into the technicals or not going into the nitty-gritties of that, how it will be going to created. That can be solved, that is not an issue. But the thing is that you need to understand that this can be solved by your, I mean, these kind of automations. Your bottleneck is, I mean, you should be having that kind of understanding at least. Then only you can get the solution. And now, if you are there, if you know that this is my problem, now you are ready. You can just come up and book a consultation, and you can just ask me that, yeah, we can. I will be going to come up with you with your business, and I will get your strategy call and all. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I think that this might could have given you some kind of insights. And in the recruitment part, one more thing I would like to say, that this is also the video which I have talked about, one kind of automation which can be implemented, a system which can be implemented, which will solve a lot of problems for the recruitment agencies. Okay, a lot of automations can be possible. I am going to create a lot of videos here, a lot of content here, but right now I'm actually working on creating it. This is not fulfilled, but at least what you can do is you will be going to, and you can engage with these kind of these like-minded people. We are already 377, and if we wait for some moment, might be one more invite and on one more people just ask for the joining and all. So yeah, don't wait. I am stubborn. I will be going to create a lot of videos. I will be just going to again and again come in front of you in your feeds. If you choose to come up later, that's your call, but if you will join me as soon as possible, it will be going to beneficial for you as well. Okay, so yeah, this wave is amazing. I am riding it up. You also want to ride up, just come up with this journey, and I'm so excited. If you are also, let me know in the comment, and also ask me any kind of question you have, either in comment section or in the Skool community. I will be going to create a Loom video personalized with for you. Okay, I am also, by the way, I am creating a lot of content on Instagram, active. Recently in just 1 month, I from 300 or 400 followers, we came to 2200. So yeah, the speed is amazing, and we need to, I mean, accelerate a lot of more speed, because this era needs that. Okay, so if you are also filled up with enthusiasm, just come up and let's move forward with the speed that this era needs. Okay, thank you so much, and let's meet in our next video.